Yo, it's your boy Jock City, Michigan Street Soldiers. We back with another video. It's car show day today, and we have reached our 500 subscribers. Actually, we over 500 subscribers. So shout out to all our people in the Philippines who've been commenting and subscribing and liking the videos, sharing the videos and stuff. So shout out to all our people in the Philippines. We appreciate all the love and support. We'll be announcing the winner probably this Friday. Well, no, probably this Friday. And we're gonna either reach out to y'all via social media, DM, or we're gonna reach out to y'all. We're gonna reply to the winner, comment, let them know they won. If we can't reach them via DM, social media, we'll just reply to their comment. So if y'all commented on the videos, keep your notifications on so you can see if you're the winner or not. Once again, shout out to all our people in the Philippines. Stay tuned, Street Soldiers. About to get the whip clean and we're gonna head up there and meet up with the guys. It's pretty early, so I'm pretty sure they setting up. And oh yeah, I wanna give a big shout out to Manny Lynn over there in the Philippines. I hope I'm saying your name right. Shout out to Manny Lynn. She invited a bunch of people to our page and a bunch of subscribers to our page. So shout out, I hope you win the giveaway. Just because you got it popping for us. Everybody gang, you got that shit. You got that shit out here. Race car action out here. Look like the gang done cleared it out down here. Let's go see what's going on. It's still light down here. We waiting on them to pull up. Putting shit on my car now. Big bird out here looking big birdish. Fast Turtle himself, Grandmaster Turtle. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. The boys doing it out here. Y'all see what's going on. I like this. I hope they don't put no rims on here. You might throw some gold rims. Gold rims would be hard on it. I ain't gonna front. You got it sitting up like you ready to slap some riding gold rims in here. We still out front and center, FBody. I know you seen the Cutlass on the channel before. Oh, he out here. Show y'all this clean ass money. Battle of the States, we got the car show and race event coming up September 18th. This is a clean ass model. Man, everybody got their keys in this. This is a clean ass model. 24-inch Ruchis. Definitely like 4:55. Merchandise. Street soldier this, street soldier that. Y'all know we are a brand too. We are the streets. You know we on the boats. It's your boy Jock City, Michigan Street Soldiers, you see it. We still out here metro cruising. Show you the game. Boy Easy ain't playing. Real deal race car.
Looks like I changed up there. Look good here.
It's been super looking. Got 30s on there. Shorty carrying through in the dump with the pink hair to match. Dodge Demon. Tons of copyright out here. Got the gang right here. Street soldiers. Look like the range was trying to get in, but he can't get in here. Who is that? 350 SX. I thought they only came in 454. You know they out here. Johnny Law. Airbag crew, they. Damn, you hear that Impala? Bikes gotta park together. Fast Turtle, we at the next location. Street Soldier shit. We still out here. It's nighttime, new location. Copyright. Got the tuners out here. Got action over here. A lot of vets out here. A lot of cool vets out here. Same vets out here. My bad, gang. I was eating. But to break it down, dude was doing a big ass donut or a big ass burnout. And when he took off, the police was right there. Whoop, hit the lights. They was right behind him. So he had to pull in here. And this is the end result. Guess what kind of car it is? Mustang, of course.